All right, this is Mike with Colorado Pond Pros. We're actually here in Longmont, Colorado, and this is a pond that we actually put in last year, and so I kind of wanted to follow up and see how the pond was doing. It's a 12 12-foot pond, so like an 8 by 12, and simple waterfall, 5-foot stream, couple waterfalls. And I kind of wanted to see, it's quite the difference that we experience when a newly installed pond looks versus something with about a year of age. And so I wanted to kind of check it out and wanted to see how it looks like. All right, awesome. Here it is. Kind of wanted to share a couple things on how a pond matures. We definitely want the plants to start maturing. When they start growing in, filling in, it dramatically changes the look of the pond. So really excited about this. It looks great. Water quality is great. We want to see the bottom of the pond very easily, which we do on this one, and it just looks fantastic.